Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, October 7th, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will say the Orchard Hollow Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow. There are no birthdays today at Orchard Hollow. However, we do have a funny joke of the day.
Joke of the day, joke of the day. It's a party animal joke of the day. Woo! Hey, party animals. My name is Maggie, and I have a joke for you. Why did the boy bring a ladder to school? 'Cause he wanted to go to high school. And it's a party animal joke of the day. Woo!
Remember, Huskies, be a good digital citizen today while you're doing your work online. Find a quiet spot without distraction to do your work. Stay focused and complete all your tasks. Use kind and encouraging words with your friends. And remember to use the raise your hand button and remain muted while others are speaking. Always reach higher to be your best self. Today, while I am zooming around the school, I will be looking to find great digital citizens doing their remote learning. If I catch you being your best doing your remote learning today, you will receive a best ticket tomorrow when you return to Orchard Hollow face to face. Make it a great day, Huskies, and I hope I catch you being a great digital citizen.